Welcome back to the vlog.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Sam sent me a
How
picture.
cute.
That was weird.
Let's go see what Graham's cooking up in a segment we call Cooking with Graham.
Put everything
Cooking with Graham.
Cooking with Graham?
Cooking with Graham. Graham, what are we cooking up?
We're cooking up some burgers, Gavin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just use your eyes, dumbass.
Whoa, okay. Tell me a little bit about these burgers. Is there an autofocus?
Is this a vlog?
It's vlog.
Regular buns.
I vlog.
I don't.
I want your buns.
Sourdough.
Damn.
Sourdough.
Who wants
Damn.
sourdough?
Wait, which one's sour?
How's she
This,
doing?
is this sourdough?
They've been claimed.
This one.
Huh?
What's that one? Is this sourdough?
Oh, Graham. What is sourdough?
How is it? What is that? Is that gluten free?
Yeah.
Oh,
Gluten fried.
gluten free. Got some bacon cooking up. Why is it not focusing?
Fire.
I don't know how to focus it. Oh, here we go. Oh, now it's focused. We got some buns. Oh, is that bun? Oh, that's beautifully golden. We're cooking. Lena's got her beans.
Oh
Yeah.
Look at those
As
beans.
someone likes
Bean
to say
review. What do you think of the
something not
beans?
very nice about
This is my
some
lentil
female.
soup because no one
Oh, this is your soup? I thought those were the beans.
got me a vegetarian option.
You said you were bringing your own. We would have gotten you a vegetarian option.
That's not what I heard.
Well, it wasn't me who was communicating with you.
This is my new bra that I got today for 5 pounds because I lost.
I don't see a bra.
I lost my old white bra in the Holiday Inn, I think. Which is really sad because it was cuter.
Hey, how many of you want cheese? I do.
I would love some cheese.
Everyone.
Can I show you my bougie coat?
That's too much.
Ripping.
Oh, we're vlogging.
Yeah, we're vlogging.
Underwear is really scary.
You're okay.
Look at my bougie coat. Ooh! Let's get a haul.
Yeah, put it on.
You're wearing a bra?
You got pop it. You got pop it.
Yeah. Ooh. 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 All right. Okay. All right. Oh, cousin it. Okay. Let's go.
I'm a helpful friend.
Wait.
Ready to
But
model for George.
she has been over here talking to you for so long, Graham.
Wait, who?
Her.
The photos.
And she said, "Are you okay?" And you were like, "Yeah." And she's just like that.
My eyes are up here, Kirsten.
I'm only looking at her eye.
Hi, how's it going? My name's George. I'm friends with Rachel.
You're not friends. Friends is a stretch.
That's Lena. I don't really like her.
Sam, you brought the wrong
There's a lot of things that I do that make it seem like I'm actually her friend. Don't worry about it.
You were trying to gaslight me.
That's Jenny. She's totally incompetent with basically anything. She can't keep track of her phone. That's Kirsten. They should be twins, but they're not.
Yo, where's the bread?
It confuses the out of me every time I see her. I'm like, Kirsten. Yeah, hey. That's milk. Hold on. What do you want, Grammy?
Put some more buns for me?
No.
See, now Graham's like asking me to do tasks. I don't know what the he's expecting me to do. Like, do these tasks? No, come on.
Who should be twins?
Yuri.
Is this thing on? Alright. Welcome to the thing. I'm TV's Young. We're here. When was the last time that you had a burger, Kirsten?
10 years.
10 years? This is what we got. What do you think? You ready?
I know that my stomach's gonna be like,
Hey.
what the
Is that not a lie?
Have you had meat? Wait, but have you had meat? Wait, have you had meat?
I have had meat.
Okay, because if you're like a vegetarian,
The
you would
last 2
die.
times I had a burger, I threw up. So I was like, I'm gonna stop eating burgers.
Okay.
That kid
Bacon on
fucking
the
Somebody needs to get a
I love this B-roll that Jen's getting.
There was a lot of
Wait,
videos
is it blurry?
I took
You
of
got
my
it?
face.
Oh, that should not go in the vlog.
How is she?
My cow is battling celiac disease.
How does
What?
it feel?
How does it feel to battle celiac? It is a losing fight, let me tell you.
a warrior. Yeah.
All right, so this is your first bite of a burger in how long?
Like 10 years.
All right, go for it.
Rose up immediately.
What's on it? Oh, that's a nibble. That's a little nibble.
That's a Rachel look.
Burger, cheese, bacon, and whatever that sauce.
All right, so there's burger, Gouda cheese, bacon, some chipotle, aioli.
Just call it Chipotle aioli.
Chipotle aioli.
I don't really
So good.
lettuce. Sorry, this touched my burger.
This is fantastic. What do you think?
They're really good.
Steph, look at this kid. Look at him. Oh my god, that sexy look. He knows he's cute. Look at him. Oh my god.
I'm allergic.
Thank you, officer.
My favorite thing is when they're scared. Their tails. Wow. You okay, Gavin? I love
It's a scene. It was a scene.